rug! It's in the face of Gino. Why would you put a rug here if I cannot use it?
She has a
It's
point,
not-
mother. She has
Be
a
quiet.
point.
It's not a rug, it's a floor poster. Idiot! Move it! Move it! That's good. Okay, much better. Stay that way. I want to protect them from the stinkiness. I don't want stinky people.
Financial freedom is if
Who told you to use this?
for a month
You have the audacity to use gin?
or you magkakasama